Local Stories, episode number 6. Let's go. What's your name?
My name is Joe.
Where is the shop situated?
The shop is right in quepem, behind the petrol pump.
What was your idea behind putting up the shop and just opening this business?
You know, I had retired from the ships, so I wanted to do something on my own. Of course, give something different to the people in quepem.
What is your favorite tea?
My favorite tea, all of them are favorite teas, you know, but I like Harman Special. That has everything in it, you know, all the spices in it.
And how long you been running this shop for?
We opened this up in 2022.
What is the best part when you come to work? How do you feel and what motivates you to work here?
The best part of me coming here is I meet a lot of people, you know, I talk to a lot of people. That touch that we give to people, even my staff, you know, they talk to the people, and that is what gives us satisfaction. When people tell us, wow, your shop, your food, your snacks, and the most important thing they tell us is the cleanliness of the place, you know, the hygienic conditions that are in this place. They say that they don't see it in other places.
And what is your message for the younger generation?
My message to the younger generation is protect Goa.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.